どうも皆さん、一日一問英語で数学、瀬戸です。今日の一問はこちらの積分をしたいと思います。M と N は任意の実数で三角関数の積の積分です。今日紹介するのは Sine×Sine ですが、同じ方法で Sine や cosine のどんな組み合わせの積でも大丈夫です。今日使う英単語はこちらです。To do this integration, we will need to go over some trigonometric identities. You can have them memorized, but if we use Euler's formula, it'll be a little easier to derive on the spot. Euler's formula is e to the ix is equal to cosine of x plus I times sine of x, where I is the complex number that solves this irreducible quadratic. So the sum in the exponent will split as a product of the base. But if we write this out, we'll get on this side cosine of a plus b plus I times sine of a plus b. On this side, if we write out the product, we'll get something like this. So now matching coefficients, the real part of this number, cosine a plus b, should be the same as this part. And the imaginary part, they need to match up. And so we get our angle addition formulas for sine and cosine. So here we have written out all of the angle addition and subtraction formulas where we use the fact that sine is an odd function and cosine is an even function. So we can get the angle subtraction formula from the angle addition formulas. Now, to do our problem, we're looking for sine mx, sine nx. So that would be these two, which we can isolate by subtracting these from each other. So that sine of a times sine of b is 1/2 cosine of a minus b minus cosine of a plus b. And so to do this integral is almost immediate. We'll substitute mx and nx into here so that we get this as the antiderivative. And the method to integrate similar products of sines and cosines, you just isolate which one you want and you either add them or subtract them. This integral is actually quite important in the field of Fourier analysis and Fourier series. So it's important that we're able to integrate something like this. Thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.